Tell her her eyes shimmer like opalescent lilies in the lake of the palace of the celestial maidens.
Really? That's the first thing you want to say?
I worked on it all night. Use it.
Look, I don't know the sign for opalescent.
Spell it.
I don't know how to spell it.
But you're blowing this for me.
He likes your eyes.
You're making me sound like a caveman.
She says, thank you. You have nice eyes, too.
Really? Okay, ask her how many children she wants, and whatever number she says, say me too.
No.
Fine. Tell her I have a deep, sexy voice like James Earl Jones.
She doesn't know what James Earl Jones sounds like.
Great. Then she won't know I'm lying.